my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Now in our last video we looked at how to prepare or how to make a healthy cereal powder from grains from the scratch. Now today we are going to be looking at how to prepare this powder into a cereal that is ready to eat for you and your family. Now here I have our cereal powder. I have a cup of water and a little salt. I usually like a pinch of salt to taste. That's my taste. It's optional, okay? You don't have to use it. I also have my pot of water, clean drinking water, about a cup and a half or so. And I'll just leave that to simmer over low heat. And then while it's simmering, I'll go to my powder and add the water. Usually when you're dealing with water and powder or liquid and powder, you should bore a hole in the center of the powder so that it can mix better without forming lumps, okay? But I didn't do that in this case. So I'm mixing my water and my powder together. I mix thoroughly. I stir thoroughly so that I don't have any lumps whatsoever. And then you can see how it is. It's smoothing out already. Okay, I'm checking for the lumps. There are no lumps, so it's good. Now after this, I'm going to add my pinch of salt into our paste, and then I stir it in, and then I put the paste in the simmering water. You can see the water is already simmering, so I pour all of the paste into my simmering pot of water. I have to get everything in. So after that, I stir. You stir gently at first so that it doesn't bubble up on you. So you stir gently, and also so that it does not form lumps. And so I just stir, dissolve any lumps that may come up, and keep stirring. If you notice the color, it's light brown. Once it's cooked, the color will get a little darker. Mind you, the grains are already roasted, so you don't want to cook for too long. You can already see it bubbling. So this is how it looks when it's cooked. Now this is a little too thick for me, so I'll be adding a little bit of drinking water to it to just make it a little lighter. I mean, your preference might be different. You may want it very thick, you may want it light. It's up to you. You may even want it lighter than how I have it, but everything is up to you. So if you want it lighter than this, you can add a little more water, but please add water a little at a time so that you don't have your cereal very light. You should also be mindful of the fact that you may use milk at the end of the day, so that would make the cereal lighter. So I'll turn off my fire here and then pour it into my bowl, and here you are, your yummy looking nutritious cereal, or porridge as you may call it. So try this at home and tell me what you think. Also tell me if you have any other ideas. Some people like to put some other things in it. Some people don't like sugar. It already has a taste of its own. So if you put the pinch of salt, you would have its own unique taste. But if you want, you can put your sugar just to back it up, okay? But if you don't take sugar, you can also add honey or any other sweetener that you choose. So thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.